Mirror's Edge. I don't like this franchise. I liked its mobile port the most. I liked its mobile port the most because its mobile port kind of reminded me of the old PC Prince of Persia games. Yeah, this wasn't for me. It's very good platforming. I just it kind of felt dull to me. I don't like the color palette. I don't like any of this. I can't recommend this game. Especially since I've heard its sequel was bad, even by people who like this game. So it kind of ended disappointingly from what I heard. Don't pick this one up. I can't recommend it. If you have EA Pass, maybe try it. Otherwise, leave it alone.